Reporting you from BBC Live News. A tornado in New Jersey has just wrecked a wet store. The victim, Mia Coulter, was one of them who was actually trying to protect a pet bird, canary. Now let's have a review with her. It was really tragedy, she said. Everything collapsed and nothing was left. The tornado destroyed everything. We tried to hide in the basement, but the basement was locked. I don't have the key at that time, so it had to be like that. It had to end up this way. Next time on BBC News, good night. Now live on BBC on New Storms News, a girl making a experiment outside her room freaked out because of this. OK， 我有点紧张的，妈咪。
快点了，我给你。
等啦，
我在拍着。
盖子。
Not here. On the floor.
What？ 我还等一下还要喝的嘞。
没有得喝了咯，等一下。
Fine。做一件事。Oh.
Like this also you scared already
I'll show you. Give me the cover. Give me the cover right now.
等一下 pop 啊，新闻不要这样啊。
No, it won't.
It will.
It won't. I say it won't. It means it won't. Okay, wait. 边边都sempat.
怎么你乱了丢那个纸拿上来？
等。
像 stuck 住那个。
You ready? 你拍这吧。边边。set 到了。OK。
你放多少力？不要给它 pop 这样哦，爆炸的哦。You know the theory of pressure, isn't it?
太多了啦。
你放这样多力做么？
吓死我！
Okay, happy?
OK， 喝
No
了。
more. Yeah. I suggest not to drink it now there. No.
Why?
Okay, stop it.
For watching New Storms News. Tomorrow again we shall meet at 8 p.m. Good night.